Welcome to our channel. Are you considering starting a side hustle in personal training or fitness coaching? You're in the right place. In today's video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to kickstart your journey, from defining your niche to building a strong online presence and providing exceptional service. Whether you're passionate about helping others achieve their fitness goals or looking to turn your love for fitness into a lucrative side hustle, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. 1. Assess your skills and credentials. Research the certifications required in your area to become a personal trainer. Consider courses offered by organizations like NASM, National Academy of Sports Medicine, ACE, American Council on Exercise, or ISSA, International Sports Sciences Association. These certifications provide the necessary knowledge and credibility to start your career as a personal trainer. 2. Define your niche. Determine what type of clients you want to work with and the specific services you'll offer. This could be general fitness training, weight loss, strength and conditioning, sports-specific training, or special populations like seniors or postpartum women. Specializing in a niche can help you stand out and attract clients who are looking for your expertise. 3. Create a business plan. Your business plan should outline your goals, target market, pricing structure, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Consider factors like location, if you plan to offer in-person training, competition, and expenses such as insurance, equipment, and marketing costs. Having a solid plan will guide your decisions and help you stay on track as you grow your business. 4. Get the necessary equipment. Depending on your training approach and whether you're offering in-person or online sessions, you'll need equipment such as dumbbells, resistance bands, stability balls, mats, etc. Start with the essentials and gradually invest in additional equipment as your business expands. 5. Build an online presence. Create a professional website or social media profiles to showcase your services, qualifications, testimonials, and success stories. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube to share valuable content, engage with potential clients, and build credibility in your niche. 6. Network. Attend fitness events, workshops, and conferences to connect with other professionals in the industry and potential clients. Join local fitness groups or online communities where you can share knowledge, exchange referrals, and collaborate with other trainers. Networking can help you expand your reach and attract new clients through word-of-mouth referrals. 7. Offer free sessions or discounts. To attract your first clients and build your reputation, consider offering complimentary sessions or discounted packages. This gives potential clients a chance to experience your training style and see results firsthand, increasing the likelihood of them signing up for ongoing sessions. 8. Provide excellent service. Focus on delivering high-quality training sessions tailored to each client's needs and goals. Listen to their feedback, adjust your approach accordingly, and always prioritize their safety and well-being. Building strong relationships with your clients based on trust, respect, and results will lead to long-term success and referrals. 9. Stay updated. Stay current with the latest fitness trends, research, and techniques by attending workshops, seminars, and webinars, and reading industry publications. Continuously educate yourself to enhance your skills, expand your knowledge, and stay ahead of the competition. 10. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your business metrics such as income, expenses, client retention rate, and referrals. Regularly evaluate your progress against your goals and make adjustments as needed to ensure your business is growing and thriving. Thanks for tuning in to our guide on starting a personal training side hustle. We hope you found the information helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on fitness, entrepreneurship, and personal development. Remember, with dedication and perseverance, you can turn your passion for fitness into a successful side hustle. Until next time, keep hustling and chasing your dreams.